That doesn't look right at all. These clouds, let me get my hand in here. These clouds right here are moving like up. It almost looks like it's rotating. I bet you that's what the sirens are from right there. That wall cloud, if that's what that is. I think John's right, and I think that really is a wall cloud. And other than that, all I can say is I'm glad it's moving the direction it is and not straight this way. Getting real dark. Yeah. That's not right at all, y'all. It's not right. I'm telling you. Yeah, y'all go inside, okay? Wait inside for me. Real windy too. This one's a little bit creepy. Is that a wall cloud? No.